Your flesh wants to sin always, for it is of the devil. It is not of God. Your own self don't even want you to go to heaven. Don't let that go over your head. This right here, this is just flesh. But inside of you is your soul, your spirit. For you know someone by their fruits. For a good tree cannot bear bad fruit, and a good tree and a bad tree cannot bear good fruit. Choose today to do the right thing. You don't know how many more days you have left. Do not take no day for granted. Brothers and sisters, let's come together and rise together.